Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am really not in the game anymore. I am making an excuse video for sure. And not too long ago, like last week, I went to visit my... Actually, it wasn't last week. It was a little bit more than that. I went to visit my dad. He lives in Vancouver, Washington. And that was a great time. I spent a good week just hanging out with my dad. It was a great time. But coming back from a vacation reminds me of why I don't typically take vacations. Because you want to know how I stay working so hard? I never really stop working. I'm in that momentum. I'm in that groove. Getting back into that groove after leaving that groove is really hard. Either way, I'm happy I'm back. I've made some changes. I ordered some equipment for my channel, and we are going to do something rather interesting. We're going to start to bring back the live shows. I think I'm going to make them like Tuesday or something. We're going to have a good time. We're going to start to implement that into the content without actually, getting rid of the older content as well, because I want to keep the same momentum, making sure I post every day, but at the same time have live shows added to it as well. How I'm going to work it out with the schedule and everything else, I'll probably have the live show like 8 or something. Do it for like an hour, and then you'll have your normally scheduled content. I'm not 100% certain on how I'm going to do it yet, but we're going to start to bring that back. We're going to do that again. I'm looking forward to doing that with you guys, because there's a lot of content that I want to go over, and I just need more time to do and more slots to do it in. So that's going to be good for the channel itself. It is going to be a lot more loose. It's also going to give opportunity to bring other people onto the show, other creators as well. I know that Bud Soda said he wanted to come on. I had another person's Felix that was actually talking about coming on as well. And we're going to see what we could do with that. We're going to bring back the live show as a whole. Either way, this is an excuse video. Sorry for your not normally scheduled content. I will have another quality video coming out in the very near future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.